Well, good morning, folks. Hey, it's Shooter. Hey, we're going to go over risk on, risk off just a little bit here, sort of dig down a little bit into sector ETFs, just trying to cover them a little broadly, see what we see. Of course, at the end of the presentation, please do review our disclosure. Okay, starting off with semis. We're really bullish. We're at trend resistance here. The count has flipped to the north side. Now I still have reservations whether we hold up here. We clearly are bullish. I think the next week is going to be really critical for us. And we do have a little divergence in our low. So this could be a confirmed low here and a divergent low. So I guess time only tells here. So from a sector standpoint, semis are bullish. Let's look at XLK. So select tech is bullish. However, the count suggests our top end is in at 172, and we're heading towards our minor wave 3 around 145. So select tech is bearish in my view. Looking forward, looking at XLY, it is bullish, so discretionary, so a little flight to safety maybe. And also we're going into the Black Friday consumer selling season, which we tend to pump during that period, so that would support that. XLU looks like we head for an intermediate wave 3 around 63, and then we continue to break down. So I would say that, yeah, we're bullish, but with a bearish slant here, because we're going to complete on an intermediate wave 5. I mean, the worst case scenario, or the best case scenario, should be around the 8-day, where we're looking for 53 on the count. Now let's look at XLC, which is consumer services. We're looking for a pump maybe to 75. And that is continuing an uptrend, so that is bullish. XLP, we're looking for a breakdown maybe to about 63. That is bearish. XLE, put in our 2, little bearish right at the moment, but then we're going to head for our 3 around 95. So that should be short-lived. So I'm going to classify that as bullish. Financials, maybe just a tad bit lower, so maybe 30.98. Then we head bullish. Now this will weigh on the Russells. So this is one thing that I'm keeping tabs on what the banking sector is going to do. Then looking at XLV, which is healthcare, definitely bearish. Putting in our 3, then coming down for our 4, maybe around 100. Looking at XLB, select materials. Now our 2, sort of bearish, maybe around 58. All right, let's look at XLRE, real estate select sector, definitely bearish. So slightly tilted bearish as far as the market's concerned. Now, I wanted to jump back and just take a look at Bitcoin real quick. And I want to come down here to the 4-hour. And I sort of wanted to express this flat. We really are running into significant price resistance here. And I just want to spend a second on that. It's constructive. I have no technical basis to suggest this would break down. Right now, we are not following the historic pump and dump. Notice how long we were in this flat here. We stayed up in this flat area, and then we started to break down, and then we dumped. So, looking at that from a 4-hour standpoint, actually, if I feel that, I'm going to have to go to the daily. That was worth covering, huh? Breakdown leg, trying to steal it. So the breakdown leg that I stole would look something like this. So we should come back to maybe 32,366 if we follow the same MO as the other breakout. So I just wanted to share that. Keep that in mind. Obviously it's your risk management, how you want to go. But that's what I have for today, folks. Great trading. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and we'll see you guys first of the week.